Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a common automotive puzzle that can leave you stranded. A car that has power but won't turn over. Specifically, we're tackling a situation with an Infiniti Qx60 that was experiencing this exact issue. You'd see all the lights on the dashboard, a clear sign that the battery had juice. But when you turned the key, nothing but silence, no cranking. This can be a frustrating problem because it's not immediately obvious what's wrong. The starter motor is the component responsible for engaging the engine and getting it spinning. And in this case, it was acting up. It would work intermittently, and when it did, it seemed weak. This inconsistency is a key indicator that the starter itself is likely the culprit. Before jumping to conclusions, it's always wise to perform a thorough diagnosis. The first step I took was to attend to the engine itself, ensuring it wasn't seized. A seized engine would prevent the starter from turning it over, regardless of the starter's condition. Thankfully, the engine was in good health. With the engine confirmed to be free, the focus shifted to the starter. To truly understand its performance, I removed the starter and tested it manually. This is where the intermittent nature of the problem became clear. Sometimes it would engage and spin, but other times it was sluggish or wouldn't engage at all. This confirmed my suspicion. The starter was indeed bad. Once the faulty starter was identified and removed, the solution was straightforward. Replacing the starter with a new one immediately resolved the issue. As soon as the new starter was in place, the Infiniti Qx60 fired up instantly, running like a champ. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to remove the starter on this particular model. It's a detailed guide that can help you tackle this problem yourself or understand what's happening if you're taking it to a mechanic. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this explanation and upcoming guide are helpful. If you found this useful, please consider following along for more automotive tips and fixes.